Hey Lisa, how you doing? All right, so I've got your work up here. I think you're looking great. The consistency is really it's actually remarkable. Let me get this window down here so we can fit. All right, so move that guy over there a little bit, and we should be in business. Okay. So as I said, I think the consistency is great. I mean, the word mark itself, I think, is fantastic. I think you've really done a nice job assembling that, and that's fantastic. I think it's a very strong mark. One of the smartest things I think you've done here is to maintain consistency is add this black, this kind of black bar on each of the three pieces. So you're showing a good understanding of consistency and page harmony based on the design elements that are present in each individual piece and how those elements are taken by the viewer. So I think it's a good job. I think it's a very, very high degree of consistency, and that's a good job. I do have one comment. I think based on the color pattern, this is a really cold layout. I mean, it's almost surgical. Um, and it's basically due to the starkness of the black and white. Now, if I remember correctly, that was part of your marketing, so I'm not too concerned about it. I think this was pretty much all business, Minotaur Publishing, business as usual. Um, so, I mean, you're definitely getting that there. I think just so you understand it, by adding color, you're going to add a little bit of warmth to the piece itself. If that's what you're going for, not everybody is going for that. I mean, if you look at a lot of Apple graphics, they're not particularly warm. I mean, they're black and white, right? So it depends on what you want to do. It does not impede the communicative value at all. It just sets a little bit of a tone for the way that the viewer is going to perceive the company. All right, so really really good job here. And the nice thing about the letterhead it's assembled like this is the company can use the letterhead for invoices and past due notices and things like that, billing statements and general all-purpose inter-office and outgoing correspondence. So that's fantastic. All right, great job. So moving forward, business as usual, right? I think that you have a good grip here. So let's just go ahead and work this out and our get our final submission in and that's fantastic. Okay, great job, Lisa. Very, very good. Hey, listen, I just want to remind you to go ahead and take that course survey when you get a second. I would really, really super appreciate it. Let me show you where it's at. If you just go over to the announcements area of the page. And I had sent an email out too, so you could probably find it in your email. But if we take a look at the announcements area right down here, right below the announcement, the welcome to announcement 6, right here, the one with the stopwatch, that's the course survey. So you can take that, definitely just go in there. It only takes a few minutes, and I really, really appreciate it if you would do that. All right, great job. Thank you very much.